We know that apostrophe is a very important punctuation mark. Apostrophe is generally used to show the possession of nouns and to show the omission of letters. But apart from these two uses, it is also used to show the plural of a number or a letter. Now this is apostrophe. It looks like a comma. It is very similar to a comma, but a comma is placed after a word at the bottom and an apostrophe is placed after a word at the top. So they look the same, but if it is put at the top, it is an apostrophe, and if it is put at the bottom, it is a comma. Now let us see how we can use an apostrophe to show the plural of a number or a letter. So to form the plurals of numbers, look at this sentence. These fives look like sixes. So these fives look like sixes. So fives stands for the plural of a number 5. So I can write it as 5 apostrophe S. Remember, this apostrophe S does not show possession or belonging. It does not show ownership, but it shows plural of 5. Plural of the number 5. So when we have more than one 5, I can write it as 5 apostrophe S. Similarly for 6, look like sixes. So we mean more than one 6. So 6 apostrophe S. These 5s look like sixes. So the correct way to write this sentence is these 5s, 5 apostrophe S, look like sixes. 6 apostrophe S. These indicate plural. Plural of 5, plural of 6. So can you rewrite this sentence using an apostrophe? We need 2 2's to write 22. So over here we have 2 2's. So this 2's stands for plural of 2. This means that there are more than one 2's. So it has to be written as 2 apostrophe S. So 2's means 2 apostrophe S. Normally we use apostrophe S to show possession or belonging. So if I have boy, for plural I simply write an S, but I write boy apostrophe S to show belonging. But in case of numbers or letters, it is the other way round. That is, apostrophe S is not used for possession or belonging, but it is used for plurals. So more than one 2. So this sentence can be written as we need 2 apostrophe S to write 22. Remember, this can be done only when we write the numbers numerically. I cannot write 2's. This is incorrect. I can write apostrophe S to indicate plural only when I write numerically. Apostrophe S is also used to form plurals of single letters. How many P's are there in this paragraph? So this question, how many P's are there in this paragraph? P's. Now if I write P's like this, then it looks like a word PS. So to indicate that we mean the plural of P's, I need to write P apostrophe S, which means the plural of P. So P apostrophe S stands for plural of P. If I don't give this apostrophe, There is no difference between this and this word. So it might be mistaken as some other word. So in order to indicate that how many P's are there in this paragraph, I mean the plural of P, I use an apostrophe S. So if there was I, how many I's are there in this paragraph? If I don't write an apostrophe, it becomes is, which is a word. So in order to remove the confusion, I put an apostrophe. How many I's are there in this paragraph? Also, apostrophe is used for time. I get up at 7 a.m. in the morning. Now 7 a.m. can also be written as 7 o'clock, and after O I put an apostrophe. So 7 o'clock. So to indicate time using O, I need an apostrophe. Now remember, if it was 7:30 a.m. 7:30 a.m. Can I write it as 7:30 o'clock? No, I cannot. We write o'clock, that is time, in this format only if the hour is complete or the minutes are 0. So I can use it for 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, but not for 10:10, 7:30, 8:15, not for time like this. But I can use it for 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock for complete hours. Apostrophe is also used to make years shorter. So he was born in March 2014. Now this year 2014 can be written in short as apostrophe 14. So I can write it as he was born in March apostrophe 14, which means 2014. So any year. If it is 2016, it can be written as apostrophe 16. If it is 90s, say 1996, then again I can write it as apostrophe 96. So in order to omit the first two digits of the year, I can use an apostrophe. So an apostrophe is used to show the plurals of numbers or letters. It is also used to indicate time and years. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.